Makatha Chakwera, the State President of the Republic of Malawi, Your Excellency Madam Monica Chakwera, the First Lady of the Republic of Malawi, Honorable Kumbo Hastings Kachali, the former Vice President, Your Excellency Most Reverend Gianluca Perici, the Apostolic Nuncio to Zambia and Malawi, Your Lordship Right Reverend Martin Anwe Mtumbuka, the President of the Malawi Conference of Catholic Bishops and the Bishop of Karonga Diocese, Your Lordship, Right Reverend Paul Horan, Bishop of Mutare Diocese in Zimbabwe, and President of the Zimbabwe Conference of Catholic Bishops, Your Grace, Most Reverend George Desmond Tambala, the Archbishop of the Metropolitan See of Lilongwe, Your Grace, Most Reverend Thomas Lokum Susa, the Archbishop of the Metropolitan See of Blantyre, Your Lordship, Right Reverend John Aphonsus Ryan, Bishop Emeritus of the Diocese of Mzuzu, Your Lordship, Right Reverend Peter Msikwa, the Bishop of Chikwawa, Your Lordship, Right Reverend Montfort Stima, the Bishop Mangochi Diocese, Your Lordship, Right Reverend Peter Adrian Chifukwa, the Bishop of Dedza Diocese, Your Lordship, Right Reverend Alfred Mateo Chaima, the Bishop of Zomba Diocese, Your Lordship, Right Reverend Gabriel Msipupiri, the Auxiliary Bishop of the Diocese of Chipata in Zambia, the Secretary General of MCCB, Father Valerian Msteka, the Cabinet Ministers and Members of Parliament here present, members of the Diplomatic Corps, the Speaker of Parliament, the Mayor of Mzuzu, all the chiefs here present, and all the chiefs who are here, all the priests here present, all the religious brothers and sisters, deacons and seminarians, all the religious leaders of other denominations who are present with us today, the organizing chair of the celebration committee and the committee members of this event, the chair of the Laity Council and all the Catholic fraternity and the people of goodwill here present. Your Excellency, allow me to say only two things on this day that God has made for us, namely thanksgiving and request. Thanksgiving. Thanks be to God for his generous love in calling me to save his own church. I realize that he is the source and summit of the Christian vocation that is given to all of us believers. Without God, we would not be able to profess our faith in God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. I give thanks to the Holy Father, Pope Francis. May his soul rest in eternal peace. For his decision to appoint me to serve the Diocese of Mzuzu as its shepherd. I accept it with my free knowledge and consent, though it is a difficult ministry in the church. Since we are a people of hope, and this year we are celebrating the Jubilee year as pilgrims of hope, it is my hope that God will lead us all to successful ministry and salvation. The late Pope Francis has had great love towards us here in Mzuzu Diocese and in Malawi. I thank the Apostolic Nuncio for your guidance and encouragement in this journey of my calling. Your assistance has been so great as a representative of the Holy See here in Malawi and Zambia. We are also so grateful for leading us in the service today. Continue serving the Lord and his church with such love and care. Thanks to Bishop Emeritus John Aphonsus Ryan of the Diocese of Mzuzu. You have done your part. That's all we can say. You have done your part. You have served the diocese with zeal and love. We would have loved to be with you until you reached 75 years of age. You came to serve here in Mzuzu Diocese as a young priest when I was only 2 years old. At the same time, we respect your decision to have an early retirement, which the Holy Father has accepted. Since you became a bishop of this diocese in 2016, you have done many things. You kept at heart the welfare of our priests, all of us, the welfare of the lay faithful, both old and young, including the many students you have assisted at St. Patrick's Seminary, Mzuni, and many others. Within your episcopate, we have seen the opening of 10 new parishes in this diocese, namely Kasitu, Mherembe, Ihewe, Mbangweni, Edingeni, Chivavi, Utatutua, Chizane, Kwendeni, and Masasa. It was your desire, therefore, to take the church closer to the faithful. You are indeed a great pastor, and you are so grateful for your pastoral-oriented leadership. As you retire from service, feel free to remain in Mzuzu Diocese, since we have lived with you here a longer period than the Irish people at your home. The whole community of Mzuzu Diocese, as well as Karonga Diocese, would be happy to see you continue living a happy life in your retirement age. When you feel like assisting in some way in the diocese, you are always welcome to do so. To the State President of Malawi, nation, and the entire team from OPC, we say thank you very much for coming again to be with us as you did in 2023. We thank you for promoting religious freedom in our country and for all the support you give to the Church. We as the Catholic Church in Mzuzu Diocese will continue to work with you in developing this country in the area of education, health, and social and some other social services according to our capacity. To all the priests, brothers, sisters, deacons, and seminarians gathered here, I say thank you for your coming and your support. Similarly to all the Christians and people of goodwill gathered here, I say thank you very much for your support, both spiritually and materially. To the organizing chair and all the committee members for this event, thank you for your time, generosity, and sacrifices. I know it has been a short time of preparation, but through our pastoral secretary, you have had difficult and hectic days to try putting things in order and sourcing the needed funds. Thank you so much for the wonderful work done. Well done. To you all, I am short of words to thank you for the many gifts you have given, contribution towards the organization of this event, and the gifts shared today. I am so grateful, and may the good Lord bless you all for your love and care. Requests. 1, I ask for your prayers. I ask all of you to pray for me as the Chief Shepherd of the Diocese of Mzuzu, so that I may carry out the ministry that God has given me with love, care, and zeal, reflecting the image of Christ himself. Pray for our diocese that it may continue the ministry of Jesus Christ. Pray for our country, Malawi, as we head towards elections in September this year. May God help us to maintain peace in all the processes that are taking place. I wish all politicians who are here and who are not here, geared to lead Malawi, have good luck. Unity. Let us all remain united as a church at national level as well as at the diocese level. From those diocese members, in special way, Bishop Ryan is leaving us with many examples. Let us continue to build the church from where he has left. This can only be achieved if we have unity of purpose. Our major vocation is one only: salvation of all people of God. Thank you very much for your contributions in the reign of Bishop Ryan, and I call for your support, especially priests as my immediate collaborators. Let us work together. All the laity, let us be united. Mumoza mulivinjeru na nkongono. You may wish to know how we'll go the first step from here. One announcement I make today is about our Vicar General. Somebody will support me closely. Our Vicar General will be Father Isaac John Katumbi, who is currently in Rome, packing his luggage, ready to come here. A few words in Tumbuka, Pachoko Mazo. Viungo kwa kutumbikika wa president wa charo cha Malawi na ndona zinu zonse viungo kwa vimirire wa kumphara ya marango chiuta wa mtuvisikeni na mlimo wa chitemwa wa marongora pa kwiza kwinu pa dazi la kuzirwa kwa eklezia mu Diocese ya Mzuzu. Viongo vikuru kwa nduna ya papa kuno kumarawi na Zambia chifukwa cha urongozi winu wa upapi kweniso kuwapo kwinu mwanya uno. Para tikuona imwe pakati pitu tikuonaso urongozi wonse wa msuma kufumakura ku Vatican. Niwonge a Bishop John Ryan maro mwa Diocese yose ya Mzuzu iyo maitevetera makora chomeni chitemwano chino pa wasembe wamayi wa brother na wakristu wose tiluwenge yayo mwangu wa mpapi kwa tose pa vyaka vichoko 8 na miezi ivi mwateveta taona vinandi kufumira mu urongozi winu visopo vya rutira mdazi kwenda makora maparishi kanandi gajulika na kusengeka maro ga Diocese kwa Bishop Kura gali mkati mwa mpanda sono chifukwa cha imwe na vituko vinandi ivyo mwapangira Diocese yitu chiuta wa mtumbikeni apo sono mkupumura tikumkumbirani umoyo wemi kuno kumzuzu ndiko kwinu sono kwa Ireland vanandi panji bali kumurwana chifukwa mkiza ni kale kuno 1978 karani mwakufasa. Tionge mabishopu wose mulipano wasembe wose wamayi wose wa brothers wose madikono wose waseminari wose kweniso wakristu wose na wandu wose wakumboli wemi chifukwa cha kwiza kuchaka ichi mwatovwira chomene mu marombo mu vya wanangwa vya mitundu ivyo mwapereka mwanya uno kweniso pakunozekera chaka ichi chiuta mwenecho wa mpeni cha wanangwa vinandi vya mkusowa pa umoyo winu na pa milimo inu imwe mwayendeska chaka ichi kurongozgeka na Pastoral Secretary Father Raymond Mwale makomiti ose vongo vikumwenererani panyengo ichoko waka ya mwezi umoza mwachita vintu vikuru wakwaya witu St. Peter's Cathedral wakuvina mose wa vindonda mose mwatorapo Ruwande wanakofira misa vongo vikuru chomene kwa mose para mkuwerera kufikaya vinu mwende makora chiuta watume wangero wake ndiwo wawe waronda vinu. Kristu.